Welcome to a short episode of the Multiplayer Inventory System tutorial. Today, we'll fix the alignment bug that occurs when the inventory has fewer than 5 slots. Let's jump right in. We start in our character blueprint. Open it under Third Person, Blueprints, BP Third Person Character. On the left, select the BPC_inventory component. In the Details panel, change the slot amount value from 45 to 3. This means that our inventory should only have 3 slots. Now, if we start the game and press I to open the inventory, we can see that when there are fewer than 5 slots, they are centered. Let's exit play mode and go back to the third-person map overview. To fix this, we need to edit the widget. Navigate to Inventory System, UI, Widgets, Inventory, and open the WB_slots container widget. In the hierarchy, select Grid for slots. Then, on the right side, change horizontal alignment from center to left. This ensures that the slots align to the left instead of centering automatically when fewer than 5 slots are displayed. Compile and save. Start play mode and open the inventory. Now, the 3 slots are correctly aligned to the left, just as they should be. The issue is now fixed. Before we wrap things up, let's revert the slot amount. Exit play mode and go to BP_third person character. This time, instead of setting the slot amount back to 45, change it to 43. Start play mode again to double check everything. Open the inventory and scroll down. Everything looks just right. In the next episode, we'll modify the storage box asset so we can implement an animation that makes the lid open and close when accessing the chest. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a like. I always appreciate your comments. Your feedback helps improve the tutorials and keeps the content engaging for everyone. See you next time.